In the bustling world of personal grooming and style, the role of a hairdresser is both dynamic and influential. A hairdresser is not merely someone who cuts and styles hair, they are artists who sculpt, create, and transform. This profession is an amalgamation of skill, creativity, and interpersonal communication, making it a unique and fascinating journey for those who choose to embark on it. The journey of becoming a hairdresser often begins with a profound passion for the art of hairstyling. Many aspiring hairdressers start by experimenting with their own hair or that of friends and family. This hands-on experience allows them to develop an understanding of different hair types, textures, and styles. As they delve deeper into the world of hairdressing, they discover the importance of precision, technique, and a keen eye for aesthetics. Education plays a pivotal role in shaping a hairdresser's career. Formal training, often obtained through cosmetology schools or apprenticeships, provides aspiring professionals with the necessary knowledge and skills. From mastering the basics of cutting and coloring to learning about the science of hair and scalp health, the educational journey of a hairdresser is comprehensive and multifaceted. One fundamental aspect of a hairdresser's training is the understanding of diverse hair types and the ability to work with various textures. Hair comes in a myriad of forms: straight, wavy, curly, coarse, fine, and each presents its own set of challenges and opportunities. A skilled hairdresser must be adept at analyzing and adapting to these variations, ensuring that the end result aligns with the client's vision and suits their individual features. Coloring, another intricate facet of the trade, adds a layer of artistry to the skill set of a hairdresser. From classic highlights to bold, avant-garde hues, the ability to mix, apply, and blend colors requires both technical proficiency and a creative touch. Hairdressers often become experts in color theory, understanding how different shades interact and complement each other to achieve the desired effect. Beyond technical skills, a successful hairdresser possesses excellent communication and interpersonal skills. The consultation process is a crucial step in any hairdressing appointment, where the stylist engages with the client to understand their preferences, lifestyle, and desired look. Effective communication builds trust and ensures that the final result not only meets but exceeds the client's expectations. In the realm of hairstyling, trends are ever evolving, and a hairdresser must stay abreast of the latest fashion and beauty trends. This involves attending workshops, seminars, and constantly updating skills to incorporate new techniques and styles. The ability to seamlessly blend classic techniques with contemporary trends is what sets a skilled hairdresser apart in this dynamic industry. The salon environment, where a hairdresser spends a significant portion of their career, is a microcosm of creativity and camaraderie. Salons are not only spaces for physical transformation but also hubs for self-expression and community. A hairdresser often becomes a confidant, a listener, and a source of support for clients, forging unique and enduring relationships. Building a clientele is an essential aspect of a hairdresser's career. Word of mouth and client referrals are powerful tools in this industry. A satisfied client becomes a walking advertisement, and the ability to consistently deliver exceptional service is the cornerstone of a successful hairdressing career. Moreover, a hairdresser's portfolio, showcasing their diverse skills and creations, serves as a visual testament to their expertise and style. While the profession of a hairdresser is predominantly associated with creativity and aesthetics, it also demands physical stamina and dexterity. Long hours spent standing, precise hand movements, and the ability to handle various tools and equipment are integral to the daily routine of a hairdresser. Additionally, the profession requires adaptability, as trends change and clients' preferences evolve over time. In recent years, the rise of social media has transformed the landscape of the hairdressing industry. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest have become virtual runways for hairstylists to showcase their work to a global audience. Social media not only serves as a marketing tool but also as a source of inspiration and connection within the hairdressing community. Hairdressers can now engage with peers, share techniques, and participate in online challenges, fostering a sense of camaraderie beyond the walls of the salon. The entrepreneurial spirit is another aspect that sets successful hairdressers apart. Many professionals choose to open their own salons, creating a unique space that reflects their vision and style. Managing a salon involves not only the creative aspects of hairstyling but also business acumen, team leadership, and client management. Entrepreneurial hairdressers navigate the delicate balance between artistic expression and running a successful business, creating a legacy in the process. In conclusion, the journey of a hairdresser is a tapestry woven with passion, skill, and creativity. From the early days of experimentation to the polished professionalism of a seasoned stylist, the evolution is marked by continuous learning, adaptation to trends, and the cultivation of a personal style. A hairdresser is not just a service provider but an artist who transforms hair into a canvas of self-expression. The profession thrives on the synergy of technical expertise, interpersonal skills, and an unwavering commitment to the art of making people look and feel their best.